Sentence comprehension practice. Level 1, Beginner. My favorite fruit is banana. My favorite fruit is banana. Is it your car? Is it your car? There is also a park near hospital. There is also a park near hospital. My wife is a pilot. My wife is a pilot. I want to go to San Francisco. I want to go to San Francisco. Mike is my best friend. Mike is my best friend. Elon Musk is my hero. Elon Musk is my hero. We have a big garden and a small swimming pool. We have a big garden and a small swimming pool. Her favorite colors are blue and black. Her favorite colors are blue and black. I have new neighbors. I have new neighbors. They're nice people. They're nice people. I like reading interesting books in the library. I like reading interesting books in the library. Every Sunday I go swimming and play computer games. Every Sunday I go swimming and play computer games. Can you come to my house on Monday evening? Can you come to my house on Monday evening? This laptop is so expensive. This laptop is so expensive. This little camera is very cheap. This little camera is very cheap. My dad is not English. He is Russian. My dad is not English. He is Russian. I have got 2 brothers. They are 10 and 12. I have got 2 brothers. They are 10 and 12. We have got 2 dogs. They are both black. We have got 2 dogs. They are both black. My mom is a doctor. My mom is a doctor. My name is Megan and I am 16. My name is Megan and I am 16. Cats hate water. Cats hate water. He doesn't teach math. He doesn't teach math. Does she live in Istanbul? Does she live in Istanbul? She doesn't study German on Monday. She doesn't study German on Monday. The course starts next Saturday. The course starts next Saturday. She swims every morning. She swims every morning. I don't wash the dishes. I don't wash the dishes. We see them every week. We see them every week. I don't like tea. I don't like tea. When does the train usually leave? When does the train usually leave? She always forgets her purse. She always forgets her purse. I and my sister don't see each other anymore. I and my sister don't see each other anymore. They don't go to school tomorrow. They don't go to school tomorrow. He loves to play basketball. He loves to play basketball. He goes to school. He goes to school. The earth is spherical. The earth is spherical. Julie talks very fast. Julie talks very fast. My brother's dog barks a lot. My brother's dog barks a lot. Does he play tennis? Does he play tennis? The train leaves every morning at 18 a.m. The train leaves every morning at 18 a.m. I love my new pets. I love my new pets. We drink coffee every morning. We drink coffee every morning. My dad never works on the weekends. My dad never works on the weekends. She doesn't teach chemistry. She doesn't teach chemistry. I do love my new pets. I do love my new pets. Mary brushes her teeth twice a day. Mary brushes her teeth twice a day. He drives to work. He drives to work. Mary enjoys cooking. Mary enjoys cooking. She likes bananas. She likes bananas. My mother never lies. My mother never lies. You don't listen to me. You don't listen to me. I run 4 miles every morning. I run 4 miles every morning. They speak English at work. They speak English at work. The train does not leave at 12 a.m. The train does not leave at 12 a.m. I have no money at the moment. I have no money at the moment. Do they talk a lot? Do they talk a lot? Tomorrow I will go to school. Tomorrow I will go to school. Does she drink coffee? Does she drink coffee? You run to the party. You run to the party. You have some schoolwork to do. You have some schoolwork to do. She doesn't use a computer. She doesn't use a computer. It snows a lot in winter in Russia. It snows a lot in winter in Russia. We live in Texas. We live in Texas. You go to holiday every summer. You go to holiday every summer. Do you like spaghetti? Do you like spaghetti? My daughter does the laundry. My daughter does the laundry. Well, thank you so much for watching this listening practice. These will help you to create sentences and understand pronunciations. If this is your first time here, don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up if this video helps you learn something.